make we take it down. No plan for you and I, man. Work hard and make we do the thing I can. African boy, coming to take it down. Oh, African boy.
Yeah.
Just people coming, when we do it, we know. Judge alone said, we are free. When we do it, we know. Judge alone said,
We run come against justice. Yeah. Yeah.
I remember the times when we used to sit in the park, holding hands together. I never should have gone away and left you like a big girl. I thought you'd take me back, but I was just a little late. I was gone away. My lonely days and my lonely nights were on the outside looking in, dreaming of holding you tight. But I guess I've had my day, you let me go my way. It's me who has to pay. I'm losing the coffee, but now I'm a winner. Yes, I am. I was born.
We run come against justice. Yeah, because
I read this thing like prophecy. Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Still I'm a living, trying to be free. But freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on, because I read these things in prophecy. When the rain stops falling down and they got no water, they gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. And when the stars start falling down and fires burning, break out, there will be weeping and a gnashing of teeth, as everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Looks like the morning doesn't shine for me. Wonder why? I've always tried to do right thing for people's side. Oh well, but freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on, because I read these things in prophecy. Here's what it says: when the rain stops falling down and they got no water, they gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. And when the stars start falling down and fires burning, rain out, there will be weeping and a gnashing of teeth, and everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning.
wow. Yeah. Original, beautiful song, Justin Steele. Ooh, baby. Is it me you're loving, or are you just fooling? Come again, sing. Is it me you're loving, or are you just fooling sorry. No, no, no. See, as time goes by, when you realize, oh, when you true love, when you true love like is, let us be words. Words make sentences, sentences make phrases, so I can describe how I'm feeling about you, girl. Oh, baby, oh, I am feeling about you, girl. Oh, yeah. See, no misrepresentation, no condemnation. Gotta have satisfaction with a girl. It's a girl like you, baby. It's a girl like you, oh baby.
Yeah, we like
Is it me you're loving, or are you just blue? Everything you're at me, realizing all the happiness coming for me. It's love for me, and my faith that I've got in you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. For me, and my faith that I've got in you. It's so wonderful, a wonderful perception. I know, I will never let go. There will be no more turning back for me. You this time, ooh, China, 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 China. Ooh, China, 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 China. I took a walk one day, walking by the seashore. Walking by the seashore, and I sat inside, look for eyes to see. I started thinking what the future had for me, thinking of the good things they had to me, realizing all the happiness coming my way for me in this time for me, yeah. And nothing, yeah.
I'll never fall in love again. It's all over now. It takes a heart.
Lyrical songs, testing sounds, yeah, original sample right.